Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your environment. Make sure your host or VPS supports HTTPS and you have SSH or control panel access. Next, decide whether to use a free certificate like Let's Encrypt or buy a paid one. The how and why matter for renewal and warranties. Then generate a CSR or run an Acme client to provision the cert and store the private key securely. Once done, note all domain variants, www. Root, so the certificate covers what you serve. You now install the certificate into the web server. Copy the cert, chain, and private key into proper paths and restrict permissions. Next, edit your virtual host to listen on port 443, reference the cert and chain files, and enable modern TLS versions and ciphers. Enable HTTP/2 if supported for performance. After that, test the server configuration syntax and reload gracefully. Make sure to scan your pages for mixed content, so resources like finish by forcing HTTPS. Add permanent 301 redirects from port 80 to 443 and update canonical tags, sitemaps, and internal links to HTTPS. Then run validation tools like SSL checks and browser loads to confirm chain integrity, HSDS behavior, and absence of mixed content. Address any blocked insecure resources. Finally, set up automated renewals with an Acme client or scheduled task and keep a rotation and backup plan for keys. If something breaks, check the certificate chain and server logs first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.